Hey there, fellow enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you: the top 5 most powerful armies in the world. When it comes to military might, these countries have demonstrated exceptional capabilities, advanced technology, and impressive personnel. So, let's dive right in. Topping our list is the United States Armed Forces. The US military is renowned for its global presence and unmatched capabilities across all domains. With a massive defense budget, cutting-edge technology, and a vast array of sophisticated weaponry, the US has proven itself as the world's most dominant military power. Not to mention, its highly trained personnel are second to none. Next up, we have Russia. The Russian armed forces have a long history of military excellence. They possess a formidable nuclear arsenal, advanced missile systems, and a highly skilled special forces unit known as the Spetsnaz. Russia's military influence extends across various regions, showcasing its strength on the global stage. Ranking third is China, whose military prowess has been rapidly growing over the years. With the largest standing army in the world, China invests heavily in modernizing its armed forces. Its advancements in cyber warfare, hypersonic missiles, and naval capabilities make it a force to be reckoned with. Our fourth entry is India. The Indian armed forces boast an impressive blend of manpower and advanced technology. Their strategic location in South Asia and focus on regional security has earned them a significant standing among global military powers. India's nuclear capabilities and homegrown defense industry also contribute to its strength. Rounding up our list is the United Kingdom. Despite its smaller size compared to the previous entries, the British Armed Forces exhibit remarkable efficiency and professionalism. The UK is a pioneer in developing cutting-edge military technology, including aircraft and naval vessels. Additionally, its highly skilled Special Air Service, SASH, is renowned for its expertise in special operations. And there you have it, our top 5 most powerful armies in the world. These countries' militaries are not just measured by their size but by their training, technology, and the ability to project power on a global scale. It's important to note that military strength isn't just about dominance but also about ensuring peace and stability across the globe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Also, let us know in the comments which army impresses you the most, or if there's any other topic you'd like us to cover in our future videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and stay safe.